Ford at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1939 Ford Deluxe two-door sedan. Now this color, it's tough to get it to do justice on the video pictures. I think you hear this called garnet maroon, antique burgundy sometimes. Some people, it almost comes across as a brown, but it's a very cool looking color on these 30s and early 40s Fords. Flathead underneath the hood, paired up with 3-speed manual transmission. If you want to check out that engine bay, look at the underside of this car, see the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. So we take a peek at the headlight surrounds, chrome grille bumper, hood ornament. Of course, to unlatch this hood, you're going to pop this up right here, and then there is a second release within the hood itself. And we're going to get around to that here in just a little bit. Let you hear that flatty run. Start it up. Check out the engine bay. Riding on the artillery style wheels, wide white walls. You can see this paint shows well. Has been a local show winner here in our area. Interior, kind of a neutral or light beige interior. Also in nice shape. Banjo style steering wheel, as you can see. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few extras are going to go with this. Over here, you can see there is a extra fuel cell, and there is a hood ornament in that box right there. Some miscellaneous parts. Some of the rubber door trim for the bottom of the doors, and you can check those out in the still pictures also. You can see the bottoms of those doors, the trunk, the underside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where you can view these pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. Top to bottom, inside and out. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. All right, as you can see, the door panels also in good shape. Rubber floor covering over the carpet. Free of rips, tears, holes in the fabric on the front seats. Fun one to take your grandkids with if you like going to classic car shows, or just want your family to go with, friends to go with, or your own kids. Got room in one of these. Look at how nicely that's finished. Like I said, you can see where this has been a show winner in our area before. All right, let's start this up. This great sounding, smooth running engine. All right. Of course, push button start right over here. See how easily it starts? One thing the techs did note, fuel gauge is not working. It is full. Now you're going to see this oil pressure slowly come up also as that starts getting a reading. Down here we do have a temperature gauge. You can see that. There you go. It's kind of, otherwise just kind of a stock looking dash. Crank out windshield for venting does work right here. Crank for that. All right, let's make sure we're neutral. How nicely that door closes. No crazy exhaust, just a smooth running flathead. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood a second. Let's check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. Let's check out that flatty. As you can see, flathead V8. Now, I guess if you will, someone's added cold air intake. There is another air filter that goes with it that just has kind of a chrome cap over it, something that you would typically see on one of these at your shows or roll-ins. Now, you also know 6-volt system yet, and take a look at a lot of this braided wiring here. Also back here, it looks like a lot newer wiring, so I'm assuming when this car was restored with the paint in the interior, definitely looks like some wiring was done in the engine bay also. And as you can see, nice, smooth running V8. Fun one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car show. If you're looking for a pre-war Ford that won't break the bank, here you go, 1939 Ford, 2-door sedan, deluxe even. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.